globalization in our community. Globalization is the process where different countries become connected through trade, technology, communication, culture, and transportation. Because of globalization, products, ideas, and information can easily move from one country to another. In this vlog, we will show how globalization affects our community through food, social media, online shopping, jobs, and culture.
Globalization means that people and countries are more connected. Today, we can buy products from other countries, communicate with people around the world through the internet, and learn about different cultures using social media. Globalization make life easier because information and product are easier to access. However, it also brings challenges such as competition between local and foreign businesses.
Social media culture. Global media has changed the way people live through Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. We can watch videos, follow trends, and communicate with people from different countries. Many Filipinos also enjoy Korean dramas, Japanese anime, Hollywood movies, and international music. These influencers are our clothing, language, hobbies, and lifestyle.
Features of globalization. There are several features of globalization. First is global communication. Through the internet and social media, people can communicate instantly and anyone around the world. Second is international trade. Many products sold in community come from different countries. Third is cultural exchange. We can enjoy foreign music, movies, food, and fashion while also sharing our own culture with others.
Global economy. Globalization has a big effect on the economy. Many Filipinos work abroad as OFWs to support their families. Others work in BPO companies that serve customers from different countries. Online jobs have also become popular because people can now work from home for international companies. Online shopping platforms like Shopee and Lazada also help business sell products to more customers.
Examples of globalization in our community. Here are some examples of globalization in our community. First, many people order products using Shopee, Lazada because they are convenient and offer many choices. Second, people spend time using Facebook, TikTok, YouTube for communication, entertainment, and learning. Third, fast food restaurants and imported products are common in our community. Many people enjoy food from different countries by imported goods from supermarkets.
For a foreign company or having a family member work abroad change your family life and how?
Yes, it helps our family earn more money, pay our bills, and support our education. Even though we miss them and their work has made our better lives.
Do you think our clothes and music come more from another countries or from our own tradition, and why?
Sa tingin ko, na-adapt na natin yung pananamit sa ibang bansa. Kasi yung sa, di ba ang pambansang kasuotan natin yung bahawat saya, wala na tayong nakikita na ganun. Tuwing may mga okasyon, yung mga celebrity na lang yung nagsusuot. Pero sa atin, more on, aminin man natin, pero nagiging liberated na yung pananamit natin gaya sa, for example, sa United States, yung mga naka-sleeveless, naka-short pants. Meron pa nga na nagpo-post na sa Facebook na pag nasa beach, meron na yung mga typical na yung mga naka-panty at saka bikini. Pero nung unang panahon kasi, di ba wala namang nagsusuot ng ganun kasi conservative tayo. So, ang sagot ko doon is gagaling na yung mindset ng pananamit natin sa ibang bansa. More on, nakakalimutan na natin yung kung ano kasi yung estilo na nakikita natin sa TV, yun na rin yung na-adapt natin.
How did big stores or online shop change the number of customers who visit your shop?
The numbers of customers visiting my store has decreased because many now prefer big store and online shop like Shopee.
How does eating fast food affect your daily spending? I save less because sometimes I choose fast food over home cook.
When nutritionists have apps like TikTok or Facebook made you try new places to eat or new products each once.
Can I answer in Tagalog?
Yes, sige po.
Dahil sa mga viral food videos, pag ulit-ulit ko nakikita sa FPP ko yung same na ramen, milk tea o street food, nakikurious ako na i-try sila. Tapos sa Facebook din, may mga food pages na nagpo-post ng hidden gems at bagong cafe sa San Fernando. Kaya na-discover ko sila.
Sige.
Do you think globalization brings more good chances for progress or does it make us lose our culture? Why?
Para sa akin, mas maraming magandang naidudulot ang globalization dahil mas napapadali nito ang pag-aaral, trabaho at komunikasyon. Hindi naman mawawala ang ating kultura basta patuloy lang natin itong pinapahalagahan at isinasangkutan.
What foreign foods or snacks do you find that you didn't before? What foreign food? Is it chocolates? Why is that? Why chocolates is not about the food, it's about the hardship. You know, the chocolate from other countries is about love and hard work of the person, especially to the loved ones, the family, the civil and money. So chocolate is not a chocolate, it has a deeper meaning. And